Oliver put a tiny seed in the ground. Weeks later, something amazing happened. But first, the family must learn how to build a garden from nothing. It is a beautiful spring morning. The sun is shining. Good morning, everyone. I have a surprise today.
A surprise? What is it, Dad? I love surprises! Tell us, Dad!
Today, we are going to plant a garden.
A garden? That sounds amazing!
First, we need to go to the garden store.
The family drives to the garden store.
They are so beautiful. I want to plant sunflowers. I want to plant tomatoes. I love tomatoes.
Good idea, Oliver. We can eat them in salads.
We also need soil, a shovel, and a watering can.
Do not forget the gloves. We need gloves too.
The family buys everything they need. Now they go home.
Do you like gardening? Tell us in the comments. And please, like this video.
The family is in the backyard. It is time to prepare the garden. First, we need to dig the soil. We make it soft.
Can I try, Dad? Like this? It is heavy.
You are doing great, Emma. Very good.
I want to dig too. Oops. Sorry, Mom. There is dirt on your shirt.
It is okay. Gardening is messy work.
Can I eat the soil? It looks like chocolate cake.
No, Oliver, soil is not food.
Everyone laughs. The soil is ready for planting. Now, let us learn how to plant seeds. Step 1, make a small hole. Step 2, put the seed inside. Step 3, cover it with soil, gently.
That is easy. I can do it.
Emma plants her sunflower seeds carefully.
One seed here, one seed here, and one more here.
Very nice, Emma. You are a natural gardener.
I hope they grow very tall. Taller than Dad. Now it is my turn. I want to plant my tomatoes. There you go, little tomato plant. This is your new home.
Great job, Oliver. You are a good gardener. Now comes the most important part. Water. Plants drink water through their roots, just like we drink water.
Drink up, little seeds. Grow big and strong. Here you go, tomato plant. Oh no, too much water. Sorry, plant.
It is fine, Oliver. The soil will absorb the water.
Dad, look! What is this? It is a worm. A little worm.
Worms are good for the garden. They help the soil.
Thank you, little worm. Please help my tomatoes grow.
Every day, the family takes care of the garden.
I water the garden every morning before school. I check the garden every day. Are they growing yet? Oliver, look! I see something green. A tiny sprout. I see it. It is so tiny. Hello, little plant.
Weeks pass. The garden grows bigger and bigger.
Dad, my sunflowers are so tall now. Look at them. My tomatoes are red. This is the best tomato I have ever eaten. That is because you grew it yourself, Oliver.
I am so proud of our family. We made this garden together.
Gardening is better when you do it with people you love.
The family learned that with love, patience, and teamwork, beautiful things can grow. Now, a question for you. What did Oliver plant in the garden? Was it sunflowers, tomatoes, or strawberries? Thank you for watching. If you liked this story, please subscribe to our channel.
See you in the next story. Goodbye, friends.